Hi, I'm Gene Cavazos. I want to tell you about a 7-inch video monitor that I picked up for under $50. So stay tuned. This video monitor, it was a great little buy. I started looking around and I thought, I just need a small monitor that will work well with my camera rig, but large enough that I can see and focus in to make sure that it's well focused, because generally I'm a one-man show. So I stumbled across on Amazon Prime this 7-inch HD monitor. Now its resolution is 1024 by 600. It's not huge, but it's actually pretty decent. In fact, it's good enough for anything I need. Now, is it as good as the video monitors that you can buy for several $100s? No, but for what you're using it for here, it's ideal. It has a HDMI jack, RCA jacks. It also comes with a 12-volt adapter for 110 current. So, if you're using it inside your studio, it works great. Now, you could buy a battery adapter for it and put camera batteries on the back of these, and I'll put a link to not only the monitor but to that as well. But for what you're using it for here, it works really, really well. Now, the downside is if you're at a far angle, it's that type of screen that you won't see it as clear, but for 90% of how I use it or how I'm looking at it, it's perfect because I'm looking dead on to it, and it helps me to get reference of whether I'm on camera or whether I'm in full focus. This is also something that works really well for cameras that either don't have a flip out monitor, or even with me, a lot of times the monitor is only like a 2.5-inch screen, and I'm not going to be able to see it that well to know if I'm in good focus. So anyway, the positive sides of this: it's inexpensive. It has great color. Now, it's very limited on what you can, on the adjustments of it. You basically have your brightness, contrast, and saturation. The really great thing I like about this is when I'm looking at it, I can get my focus where I need it. And so many times the smaller screen that you're going to get off your DSLR is, for me anyway, too small to see. So, and when you're doing kind of the one-man show, it's nice to have a little bit bigger screen. So anyway, I just wanted to give you this DIY tip, and I hope that helps. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or suggestions, please put them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back with you. I would love to have you guys subscribe and click the little bell button over there, and that'll send you a notification when there's a new video coming out. In the meantime, we'll see you soon.